Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by opening your hosting control panel or connecting via FTP. You need direct access to the server. You should confirm the backup contains both the database SQL file and the WP content folder, because Wordpress needs both. Once confirmed, download the backup to your computer and keep credentials handy. Now create a temporary folder, extract archives into it, and inspect the SQL file for table prefixes. This early verification avoids mismatches and saves time when you import later. Next, upload the extracted WP content into your WordPress directory using FTP. Overwrite existing files if you intend a full restore. Then create a new MySQL database and user grant privileges and import the SQL file through phpMyAdmin or the MySQL command line. This restores posts, pages, and settings. After the import, edit WP config. PHP to match the new DB name, DB user, DB pass, and DB host. Once done, update table prefix. Finally, clear any server and plugin caches, then log into the WordPress admin to test functionality. Visit several pages and check media. If the site moved domains, perform a search replace of the old URL in the database. Use WP-CLI for safer serialized data handling. Make sure file permissions are correct and reset permalinks to rebuild. Htaccess. If something breaks, check error logs first. A common fix is file permissions or a disabled plugin. That single troubleshooting step resolves most import failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.